Your organization sends emails to communicate with its customers, vendors, and business associates. Unfortunately, there would be miscreants who can mask your identity, sending emails on your behalf. Both these emails, legitimate and masked, get delivered to recipient's inbox. SPF and DKIM were two standalone technologies used by recipient servers to validate if emails received from your domain are actually the emails sent from your domain. SPF, which stands for Sender Policy Framework, is a listing in the DNS of authorized servers who can send emails on your domain name's behalf. If emails have not originated from the published list of servers or IP address, it can tag the email as spam. Any other domain using the same email hosting provider can still forge emails of other domains. DKIM, Domain Keys Identified Email, allows senders to associate a domain name with an email, thus vouching for its authenticity. This is done by signing the email with a DKIM private key signature added to the message header. Downsides of DKIM are that the spammer could set up a fake domain that looks closely to someone's real domain and then send tons of properly signed spam, which only a properly observant recipient would spot. DMARC, Domain Message Authentication Reporting and Conformance. DMARC attempts to tie the results of SPF and DKIM with the domain found in the from header. To accurately deploy SPF and DKIM, DMARC describes how feedback can be sent to domain owner regarding how their domain is being used across the internet. For ease of understanding of the domain owner, Logix has developed DMARC Monitor, which accepts reports in the form of XML from the recipient's servers and showcases the compliance levels the domain is following. It also reports any abuse of the domain name. DMARC Monitor will help the domain owner to correctly deploy SPF and DKIM across all their email stream. The domain owner can then tell the world to act against email that is not compliant with DMARC. The policy the domain owner can publish is to quarantine or reject emails which fail the DMARC check. Domain owners strive to get the reject policy, which disallows unauthorized use of domain, which is a strong anti-phishing measure. DMARC a requirement for anyone who wants their email to be delivered reliably. To get started, Logix DMARC Monitor at dmarcmonitor.net to discover how your domain is being used across the internet.